Are you ready to take project management skills to the next level? Hi, I'm Anthony Johnson from Anthony Johnson Consultant LLC, and I'm excited to announce that beginning September 1st, 2025, we are offering 2 newly created dynamic online courses that will empower you to lead with confidence and strategy. Courses that can elevate your career and sharpen your skills in project management. First up is Principles of Project Management. This course is perfect for anyone seeking a solid foundation in managing projects across any industry. In just 7 modules, you'll learn about the project lifecycle and organizational issues, core process groups, initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing, essential knowledge areas like scope, time, cost, and quality, risk, communications, and more, the role of the project manager, and the importance of documentation management. Whether you're an aspiring project manager or a seasoned professional looking to refresh your skills, this course gives you the tools and the confidence to drive projects to success. Next is the Strategic Engagement and Project Management course. This course introduces a whole new focused dimension. Strategic engagement means intentionally aligning every project with your organization's bigger goals and keeping stakeholders connected from start to finish. Across 6 focused modules, you will understand why strategic engagement is a must-have in today's fast-paced project management environment. Learn to lead with purpose and structure and empathy. Apply engagement best practices that drive real results, and gain insights from real-world examples to help you transform not just your projects, but your entire organization. Enrollment for both courses is open and available beginning on September 1st, 2025. So don't miss an opportunity to equip yourself or your team with the knowledge and the skills for true project leadership. Visit AnthonyJohnsonConsultant.com to learn more. If you like this material and want to see more, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. The subscription is free. Thank you for watching, and as always, be encouraged, be true to yourself, and be the best you to help others. Thank you.